There are scenarios when a girl you like no longer likes you. She used to be into you, but she's starting to back off now. A lot of men have troubles retaining a woman's interest for as long as they would like. She suddenly disappears for whatever reason, appearing to be pushed away. It is annoying when a woman who has been really into you at first changes her mind. The thing you most desire is frequently one thing you cannot have. As you can expect, you follow them more and more until they finally vanish forever. A lot of men are unlucky with women, not because women despise them, but because of certain acts they put scare women away. A lot of men put up acts that scare women away, and when once she becomes tired of you, it becomes an uphill task, winning her heart back from then onward. But in today's video, I'm going to give you 7 mistakes men make that scare women away. But before we go right into that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop new video. So let's go right into it. 7 mistakes, huge mistakes men make that scare women away. Number 1, being overly possessive. It is very scary to women when a man is showing his over-possessive attributes from the onset, even before the relationship starts proper. Being the clingy and the possessive man will definitely scare her away. Women are scared of men who are clingy and possessive, calling frequently, and being unnecessarily jealous are some of the signs that scare women away. Number 2, being here and there. Women like men that are straightforward, know what they want and go for it. When you are there for her today and tomorrow you are nowhere to be found, then she would have mixed feelings about you, which would most likely tilt to her being scared of having a relationship with you. Number 3, being stingy. Truth be told, no woman likes a man who is stingy. The moment she noticed that you are the type of man who is stingy and selfish, she will get irritated with you. That is not because she's after your money or she's money conscious. No. Stingy men and selfish men are just a turn off. Number 4, timidity. Timidity is another trait that turns women off. That is why men who are timid are mostly unlucky with women. She wants you to be sure of yourself, to believe in yourself, and have that charisma. When you lack those strong characters, she would most likely not to give you time or the required attention you were expecting. Number 5, talking about your ex. No woman likes to hear stories about your ex, especially when all you have are just sad stories. Whether she dumped you or she was the ever best girlfriend to you, talking about your ex will only make her feel uncomfortable. Number 6, pushing for sex too soon. Some men don't know how to control their urge for sex. It is unfair to a lady to meet her and try to bed her or make such advances after meeting her. Some men show that they are just there for the sex, and this push women away. Those type of men push women away. Number 7, being in a hurry for a relationship. I've seen a lot of men do this, and God knows how scary this could be to a lot of women. You meet a woman today, and tomorrow you start preaching love and relationship to her. Very scary. It doesn't work that way for most women, and this could scare her away. So these are some of the the huge mistakes men make that scare women away. I hope you have learned one or two from this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. But before we go, because we have come to the end of the video for today, but before you go, please subscribe to this channel. Like I always beg, do not leave without subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop no video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share the link with friends, family, your enemies, everybody. I don't mind. Just invite your friends, your family, your everyone you know to come watch my video. And don't forget, before you go, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop new video. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next video.